Do you actually think that your $1 toothbrush can help your teeth get rid of all the cavities and oral problems? Or do you think that it's time for you to move on to an electric toothbrush? Either way, I'm gonna make an unboxing of Realme's N1 toothbrush that came recently. But honestly, if you're still stuck to this $1 toothbrush, it's time for you to move on and switch to an electric toothbrush. Because by the end of this video, I'm gonna get you convinced. Without wasting any more time, let's get the video started. So the box of Realme's N1 Sonic toothbrush comes in the same color as the Realme's brand, but of course we are not interested in that. Let me quickly show you the key highlights that are mentioned on the box of this Realme toothbrush. So first of all, they mention about the frequency of the sonic motor which is present, that is 20,000 times per minute is the amount of spins that it makes. Then you have antibacterial bristles, then claiming 130 days of battery life, then 3 cleaning modes, then safe food grade brush head and IPX7 water resistance, which is quite must when you have a toothbrush because it revolves a lot of cleaning. But so that's all mentioned in the box along with the price at the bottom, which I'm not gonna be showing you. Let's quickly see what all things we get inside the box. So that's the box. This whole thing is plastic. I don't know why Realme is not thinking about the environment. Then you have this paperwork where you have the warranty, and on the side you have the information about the toothbrush and how it works. I'm gonna keep that aside. Then you are getting a Type-C USB cable for charging the toothbrush. Let's get this aside. And oops, you have the toothbrush right here without the head. Obviously the head is still there, I forgot. Let's quickly connect the toothbrush, and that's how it will look once you have it connected to the body. The weight of this is not that heavy. It's not heavy at all. You would feel it when you're switching from your normal regular toothbrush to an electric toothbrush. But believe me when I say that this is not the heaviest toothbrush that I've used. Now let me show you an amazing thing about the bristles here. So if I zoom in, you will see that the bristles are made up of 3 different colors: white, black, and these 2 blue strips, right? These 2 blue strips will change their color and ultimately become white as you use it. And the main purpose is to indicate to you that it's time for you to change the bristles. Yes, Realme is selling these bristles separately on Flipkart. Now let's quickly see the 3 different cleaning modes available with this toothbrush. So the first one is called the soft mode, which will be shown by the LED indicator which is at the top. This soft mode is good for everyday users, and if you have sensitive teeth, then go for the soft mode. The second one is called the clean mode, where it's gonna drive the liquid or fluid in your mouth to make more foam, and that foam is gonna help your teeth to get more clean. And the third is called the polish mode. In this mode, you will be able to feel that the sonic motor will be vibrating at low and high frequencies consistently so that your teeth get rapid action cleaning, and that's gonna help you polish the teeth. But it's gonna be a bit aggressive for all the sensitive users. So if you have a sensitive pair of teeth, you better watch out for that one. But I'm gonna quickly make you hear how much sound this toothbrush makes and the different amount of vibrations it makes in all 3 different modes. So quickly start with the first mode, that is the soft mode. So I'm gonna click on this button to start it. As you can see, the first LED indicator is on, and it's on normal mode, which is also called as soft mode. Let me know in the comments what you think of the amount of noise it's making in soft mode. Now let's see the amount of noise it's gonna make in the clean mode. I can immediately feel that the vibrations are a bit more aggressive now. And now the third one is the polish mode. So let me quickly turn it on to polish mode, and then you'll hear the alternating noise of the motor. It's fluctuating between high and low frequency. So those were the 3 different modes that comes with Realme's N1 toothbrush. And now let's compare it to Xiaomi's T300 toothbrush. Now if you look at the size, obviously Realme's toothbrush is quite small and it's quite light too, but the battery backup is 4 times as much as Xiaomi's T300 is claiming to give. Secondly, Xiaomi's T300 only has 2 different modes, which is one normal and second one for sensitive teeth, and Realme's has 3 different modes, which you saw right now. Both have replaceable bristles, so you just have to pick them up, they will be off. And the way that these bristles are a bit different, but not that different. Both of them charge with a bottom type C, but there is a difference between Xiaomi's T300 that they have given a port cover that can help your toothbrush protecting against the water that will accidentally go inside the ports. So this cover is gonna help, whereas Realme did not think of that and they didn't give any protection. So if you make this wet and the water is inside and you charge, it's gonna short circuit, I'm pretty sure. Now let's see the difference in the noise that they both make. I'm gonna be placing it on the table to see if it actually vibrates and moves. Alright, you can see it's moving, but it's not that fast. This is the normal cleaning mode of Xiaomi's T300. And you can even hear the amount of noise it makes. It looks like a dancing doll to me. Alright, enough. Now let's quickly shift to the sensitive mode. And let's see if it makes oscillations or movements. We can see that the toothbrush is actually moving from its place, but the amount of oscillations it's making, it's a bit less in noise as compared to the normal one. So that was Xiaomi's T300 in action. Now let's try the one with Realme's N1. And I'm quickly gonna make this go into the first mode. It starts to move. And now it stops moving. It's just rotating and minutely moving. Alright. Now it's time for the second mode, which is the clean mode. Putting it on clean mode and placing it on the table. Alright, you can immediately see what's going on here. The toothbrush has changed to a doll. A dancing doll indeed. Now let's jump to the third cleaning mode, which is the polish mode, and see what's gonna happen. On polish mode, I'm gonna place it on the table. Now because of the alternating oscillations that the motor is producing, which is high and low, the toothbrush is not changing its position. Or it is changing its position, but it's quite slow. But the vibrations are not as intense in the first 2 modes, which is why the table is not moving that much. Nor is the toothbrush. So there is the comparison between the Xiaomi's T300 versus Realme's N1 and a normal toothbrush. Let's see if this vibrates. Nope. Does it make any noise? Nope. So with one charge, how long does it go? Nope. And why is it not recommended for you to purchase a brush like this? You're applying force with your own hands and it can be uneven and you do not have the time to clean it nicely and give it proper time. Whereas these electric toothbrush stops vibrating every 30 seconds or 15 seconds, indicating you to change the side that you're brushing. And it's in total gonna be stopping to clean your teeth after 2 minutes. So you know that every single time that you brush, every specific part of your mouth is cleaned, rather than this where you are the own master of yourself and you do not clean the teeth well. The choice of picking one is yours. So that was all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Press that like button, click on subscribe, go brush your teeth and follow me on my Instagram. But don't use this. Use an electric toothbrush. Oops. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.